In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when your Google account won't sign in. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got a straightforward guide that will help you find a solution. First, open your web browser and navigate to g.co/recover. This page is Google's account recovery portal, a useful tool when you're having trouble signing in. Once there, you'll want to enter your Gmail address in the provided field. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. After entering your email, click on Next. Moving on, if your account was recently deleted, Google will request your password. This step is important as it confirms your identity. However, if you can't recall your password, there's no need to worry. Simply click on Try Another Way, and Google will walk you through alternative options to verify your identity. You might be asked to perform actions like selecting a two-step verification through your phone. Here, make sure you've got your recovery phone nearby. Enter this phone number when prompted and then click Send to receive a verification code. You'll receive this code via text message, so ensure your phone has signal and is functioning properly. Once it arrives, type it into the verification code field. If you've previously set up security questions, you may also be prompted to answer these before proceeding. Once Google has verified your identity, the next step is the most rewarding. You'll be asked to create a new password for your account. When doing this, choose a strong and unique password, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Remembering to store it in a secure password manager can help prevent similar problems in the future. In case you need extra reassurance or further guidance, Google provides ample support through their Help Center, which can be accessed at any time. They offer various resources to help you navigate these processes smoothly. By following these instructions, you'll quickly regain access to your Google account. It's all about carefully following each step and verifying your identity with the correct information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.